Hello, welcome to a new Nalios dev tutorial. Today we'll talk about activities and the activity views on a custom model. So in a previous tutorial, we added the charter and I showed how to use activities in here. So we'll go a bit deeper to use the activity views and see how we can have some easier reporting to check what activities there are on specific models. So the first step is to add the charter and the inherit. But we did it in a previous tutorial, but it's important to have the mail thread and the mail.activity.mixin on your custom models. But we already did it to add the charter in our specific view. So today's topic is to add the activity views and see how we can be used. So to add the activity views, it's quite easy. You go into your action, you create it for a model, and you add activity in your view mode list. Okay. And it doesn't work. So I'll just update my custos and I'll show you how it will work. Okay. So with our list view, as we did in the previous tutorial, but now we added the activity view in our list, in the task. So I refreshed my view, and now we have this small button to switch the type of view we want to see. So the first step, it's how it looks. We have the activities we created on our list, and we only see the tasks that have activities on them. So the utility it has, it's if you have no activity on the record, you can create it one just by clicking here. It's quite easy. It's quick. It's quite quick. So here I have to send an email. I just click email. I type just to say what I need to say, and it's okay. Schedule, and you have a reporting view to see what you have to do on specific task in this kind of scenario. And so if you look at it, up you have your activities in the charter too. But you can custom the view a little bit, so you have more information than just the name of the task. We'll custom it so we have the reference of our model instead of the display name. So for this, we have to create a view by ourselves. So I'll just copy paste it. Okay. And in here, I customized it to show the reference and the project ID instead of the display name. And I added the priority widget, so you can see the task with a higher priority. We created those fields in previous tutorials in the model. So these are not new fields. It's just adding them in a view. Okay, so I'll restart my custos to see the difference it created in the view. Okay, it's updated. So now when I refresh my view, you can see instead of the display name, I have the reference of my task, as you see here, and the project linked to it. So we have the reference and the project. If I go into my task, you can click here and you go to your record. You have the project and the reference instead of the task name. I hope it helped you. If you have any question, feel free to write in the comments. Have a good day.